This is the Levoit Desktop Air Purifier. We've been using it for a year now, and it's just a great addition. I was never really always sold on air purifiers until I got one and actually started using it. And then you realize how much actual hair, dirt, dust, and debris, and dander and stuff you actually do get in your home. So these are HEPA filters here. They will collect this dust like this, and then you just have to vacuum them off. So it really just depends on how often you use it and your situation. So maybe once a week, once a month, really kind of just depends. Honestly, I think I'm gonna start vacuuming these and cleaning these off every month or every week now instead of every month or so. Once those are cleaned off, then you can just put them back into your air purifier here. So on the bottom here, you want to put them into where the pull tabs are facing inward. So it just says that here on it, so you never forget here. So this is going to be facing inward. You're going to slide those in here, and then that's it. You put the bottom back on, and then you just give it a twist here to lock it in place. And it's a really simple to use piece of equipment here. You got the touchpad here for low, high, so it's like sleep, low, and high, and you can just cycle through. So we typically leave it on high. It's not super loud. It's actually nice background ambient noise. And then on the top here, it does have this little compartment here. It's got this little pad here. It's just like a sponge, and you're just going to put your essential oils on that if you want to. We don't do that, but the air comes in from the sides here and it blows out the top. So if you do have some essential oils in there, it'll make the room smell like whatever you choose. And that's it. So we really like it. It works great, and this is perfect for a room, a bedroom, or something like that. It's not going to do the whole house, but it's great for a single room. Hopefully that was helpful.